In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to GitHub Pages quickly and easily. This will help you give your project a professional look with your own domain name. First, we'll need to head over to GitHub. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to GitHub's official website. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account. If you've already got one, let's move on to the next step. Next, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to log in. It's always a good idea to double-check your username and password to make sure you're entering them correctly. A helpful tip is to use a password manager to keep your login details secure. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is your control center, where you can access all your repositories, track issues, and more. From here, look for the Repositories section and click on it to see a list of your projects. Choose the repository you want to link with your custom domain. Once you open it, click on the Settings tab. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the Pages section. This is where you manage your GitHub Pages site. Now look for the option labeled Custom Domain. Click on it and enter your domain name. Make sure you have already purchased your domain from a registrar and configured your DNS settings correctly. You will need to point your domain to GitHub servers. This usually involves setting up A records or a CNAME record in your domain provider's DNS settings. If you're not sure how to do this, your domain registrar usually provides step-by-step instructions. After entering your domain, click Save. GitHub will then try to verify your domain. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. If it doesn't work right away, double-check your DNS configuration. Once everything is set up correctly, your custom domain will be connected to your GitHub Pages site, and your project will be live under your own domain name. That's it for this tutorial. You can now connect your custom domain and make your website look more professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.